Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Teacher Roan. So today, we're going to talk about the topic of quadrilaterals. Ano ba ang quadrilaterals? Ano ba yung mga parts ng quadrilaterals and paano natin to isinusulat? So, kung ready na, get your pen and paper and let's go.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Alright, so we're going to talk about quadrilaterals. Ano nga bang quadrilaterals? A quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides. So, all of these are quadrilaterals. So, look at the first one. It has four sides. The second one has four sides also. The third one has four sides. These are all quadrilaterals. Paano ba natin ini-name ang quadrilateral? So, let's look at this. Since a quadrilateral is a polygon, we name this as we would any polygon by using its vertices. So, tingnan natin yung figure. Ang mga vertices niya ay A, B, C, at D. Kailangan gagamitin natin itong vertices para i-name itong quadrilateral na to. Paano? Yung sunod-sunod or yung consecutive vertices clockwise or counterclockwise. So, we can name this as quadrilateral A, B, C, D. It doesn't matter where you begin. Pwedeng magbigin tayo sa B. And we move counterclockwise. B, A, D, C. Or we can start at D. And we move clockwise. D, A, B, C. So we can use these three names to name the quadrilateral on the left. How about B, A, C, D? Can we name this quadrilateral BACD? Hindi. Because hindi siya sunod-sunod or they are not consecutive vertices. Tingnan natin. B, A, C, D. Hindi siya sunod-sunod. Hindi siya clockwise, hindi din siya counterclockwise. So, we cannot name this quadrilateral BACD. Now, we are ready to name its parts. So, of course, a quadrilateral has four sides and four angles. So, let's look at the sides. So, the sides are, of course, line segments. So, we're going to name them as line segments. AB, and the symbol for line segment is a bar on top. What else? We have BC. Okay, so this is side AB. This is side BC. And then we have DC and what? AD. So these are your sides or the sides of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. How about the angles? Angles are named using 3 letters or a letter. So, ang gagawin natin, we're going to use 3 letters based on the vertices. So, let's start with the first one, this one. Okay. So, since A is the vertex of the angle, yun ang nasa gitna. And then, ang AD at ang AB, yan ang tinatawag nating side ng angle. So, we have DAB. So, we name the angle DAB. Okay, and then we do the same for the rest. We have angle A, B, C, angle B, C, D, and angle CDA. So, we have 4 sides and 4 angles. Another part of a quadrilateral is its diagonal. So, a diagonal is actually a line segment that connects non-consecutive vertices. Pag sinabi nating non-consecutive vertices, ito yung dalawang vertex na hindi magkasunod. So, pag kinonektan natin ang dalawang vertex na to, or yung dalawang vertices na to, yun ang diagonal. So, for example, we look at the vertex A. So, ang vertex A, nakasunod siya sa D, tsaka sa B. So, anong opposite niya? Or yung non-consecutive. So, ang opposite niya ay C. So, pag kinonektan natin ang A, tsaka C, yan ang tinatawag na diagonal. Since ito ay line segment, we use the symbol for line segment. Sa isang quadrilateral, meron tayong dalawang diagonals. Ano pa yung isa? Okay, so we are going to connect B with D. So, we have another line segment which is the diagonal. So, we have AC and BD as our diagonals. We also have the concept of opposites. Pag sinabi nating opposites sa quadrilateral, a side is opposite another side. An angle is opposite another angle. This means that the sides are non-consecutive. Hindi magkasunod, kundi magkatapat. So, in this case, what are the opposite sides? Okay? So, the opposite sides are AB and BC. Also, AD and BC. These are opposite sides. Same with angles. We have opposite angles. So, this angle and this angle are opposite. Angle DAB and angle BCD. Ano pa? This angle and this angle. So, this is angle ABC and angle CDA. Kung hindi opposite ang sides, we call them consecutive sides. Kung hindi opposite ang angles, we call them consecutive angles. So, what are the pairs of consecutive angles? Think about that. Alright. So, we move on to the kinds of quadrilaterals. Ito yung tatlong major kinds of quadrilaterals. The trapezoid, the parallelogram, and the kite. Pag sinabi natin trapezoids, we have two sides which are parallel. And these sides are opposite sides. Parallelogram, we have two pairs of parallel sides. When you say two pairs, yung two pair na opposite sides are parallel. And then the kite, wherein adjacent pairs of sides are equal. Kung matatandaan natin yung definition ng parallel, two lines are parallel if they will not intersect. And the symbol for parallel sides or parallel lines are arrows on the side or on the line. So, for example, this side is parallel to this side. Same with in the parallelogram. This side is parallel to the side at the bottom. Okay, and then on the left, this and this are parallel. So, look at the marks that I make. So, these marks means they are parallel. Kapag tig-isa lang, yun ang parallel. Pagka yung dalawa naman yung mark na naka-arrow dun sa gilid, yun naman yung pairs na parallel. So, sa kite, sa parallelogram and trapezium, we are going to talk about them individually. Alright. So, that is all about the introduction of quadrilaterals. Kung may natutunan kayo, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time and goodbye!